Product number 1. BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Description: tired of stubborn pet stains and lingering odors ruining your carpets? The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner is here to revolutionize your cleaning routine. This powerful corded carpet cleaner is engineered with turbo-strength motor technology, delivering exceptional suction to lift even deep down embedded dirt and grime. With a power rating of 6.8 amps and a generous 35-foot power cord, you'll have the freedom to clean large areas without constantly switching outlets. The included 8-foot hose provides extended reach for tackling stairs, upholstery, and those hard-to-reach spots. This is our best carpet cleaning system for tackling the toughest pet stains and odors, and it even works wonders on skunk odors. The Max Clean mode boasts an impressive 12 rows of rotating dual dirt lifter power brushes, providing professional-grade cleaning to effectively remove deep-down embedded stains, dirt, and odors that other cleaners might leave behind. For quick cleanups, getting you back to enjoying your clean home in no time. More than just a powerful cleaning machine, every purchase of the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. By choosing this carpet cleaner, you're not only investing in a cleaner home, but also contributing to a cause that makes a real difference in the lives of animals in need. Say goodbye to pet stains and odors and hello to a fresh, clean home with the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. This carpet cleaner is a game changer for pet owners. We have 2 dogs, and accidents happen. The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro tackles even the most stubborn stains and odors with ease. The Max Clean mode is fantastic for deep cleaning, and the Express Clean mode is perfect for quick touch-ups. I love that my carpets are dry in just about 30 minutes. Knowing that my purchase also supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation makes this an even better investment. Highly recommend. Product number 2. BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Description: for those everyday pet messes and spills in smaller spaces, the BISSELL Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is your go-to solution. This compact and lightweight machine is designed to effectively tackle tough everyday and pet messes on carpets and area rugs in those tight spots where larger cleaners might struggle. Despite its size, this portable cleaner outcleans the competitive lightweight carpet cleaner, making it a powerful tool for pet owners. The 4-row deep reach power brush combined with powerful suction works to remove ground and dirt and stains in high traffic areas that your regular vacuum cleaner might miss. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to store and maneuver within tight spaces, perfect for apartments, dorms, or quick cleanups. Just like its larger counterpart, every purchase saves pets. Your purchase enables BISSELL to continue their vital support of the BISSELL Pet Foundation and their mission of saving pets in need. For optimal results and to defend against future stains, pair the BISSELL Little Green with their Pro Max Clean Plus Protect formula featuring Stain Protect technology. Keep your small spaces clean and fresh with the convenience and power of the BISSELL Little Green. The BISSELL Little Green is a lifesaver. It's so convenient for quick cleanups of pet accidents and spills. We have a puppy, so this gets used frequently. It's lightweight, easy to store, and surprisingly powerful for its size. The deep reach power brush really gets the stains out. I also love that it supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation. A fantastic little machine for pet owners. Product number: BISSELL Pet Stain Eraser Advanced Cordless Portable Spot Cleaner. Description: introducing the ultimate in convenience and versatility for pet mess cleanup. The BISSELL Pet Stain Eraser Advanced Cordless Portable Spot Cleaner. This powerful portable cleaner allows you to effortlessly remove tough pet spots and stains from a variety of surfaces, including carpets, upholstery, car interiors, and more, without being tethered by a cord. The powerful suction ensures that even stubborn pet messes are lifted away, leaving your surfaces clean. Its portable and versatile design makes it easy to clean multiple surfaces throughout your home, from living room carpets to car seats and even stairs. The large tank capacity of 48 ounces means you can clean more between refills, saving you time and effort. This spot cleaner is specifically designed to remove pet odors effectively. When used with the included Pet Spot and Stain Formula plus Pet Oxy Boost, it tackles even the most difficult pet stains and odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. The tools and formula included ensure you have everything you need to get started right away. It comes with a 3-tough stain tool for concentrated cleaning, a stain trapper tool to prevent messes from spreading, a hydro rinse self-cleaning hose tool for easy maintenance, an 8 ounces trial size Pet Spot and Stain Formula, and an 8 ounces trial size Pet Oxy Boost. With its multi-purpose cleaning capabilities, this cleaner is perfect for use on carpet, stairs, upholstery, area rugs, auto interiors, and more. And, of course, BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation in its mission to help save homeless pets with every purchase. This cordless spot cleaner is a lifesaver. The portability is fantastic. I can easily take it anywhere in the house or even to the car. The suction is strong, and it quickly removes pet stains and odors. The included tools are very useful for different types of messes. I especially appreciate the large tank capacity. Knowing that my purchase supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation is the cherry on top. Product number 4. Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Description: experience unbeatable tough stain elimination with the Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This innovative cleaner features a dual-activated tough stain eliminator that requires no premixing, making cleanup quick and easy. It effectively eliminates stains and odors throughout your home, from carpets and area rugs to couches, upholstery, cars, and more. Boasting 20x more stain-striking power, this cleaner's dual-activated formula unleashes the power of Oxy for effective on-contact stain cleaning. The powerful suction pulls out liquid and dirt embedded deep down, revitalizing your carpets, area rugs, stairs, furniture, couches, and upholstery to look like new again. This cleaner is perfect for pets, effectively removing stains and eliminating the toughest odors, including pet urine and smoke. Designed for whole home cleaning, this lightweight and compact cleaner weighs under 9 pounds, making it easy to carry and maneuver anywhere you need to clean. Its compact size also allows for convenient storage when finished. The only dual-activated formula precisely fuses two unique formulas together, creating an unstoppable cleaning solution. You'll also receive a bonus cleaning formula to keep your home looking its best. What's included? The Shark Stain Striker comes with an integrated crevice tool for reaching tight spaces, a 3.5 reversible bristle tool for various surfaces, a 7 wide path tool for larger areas, a dedicated pet tool for stubborn pet messes, a 16 ounces Deep Clean Pro formula, and a 32 ounces Oxy Multiplier formula. With a voltage of 120 V and 60 Hz, this powerful yet portable cleaner is ready to tackle any mess. The Shark Stain Striker is incredible. The dual-activated formula really works wonders on tough stains, especially pet messes. I was amazed at how easily it removed old stains from my couch. It's lightweight and easy to carry around the house. The included tools are very helpful for different cleaning needs. If you have pets, this stain remover is a must-have.